Hello, everyone. I welcome you all for the today's interview session. This interview session is a part of the Thoughts on Education initiative by College Dunia. Today, we have with us Mr. Sheetal Chhabra sir, who is an assistant professor at Lal Bahadur Shastri Institute of Technology and Management in Indore, which is affiliated to the Devi Ahilya Vishwavidyalaya Indore, Madhya Pradesh. He is a passionate teacher, having vast teaching experience of about 16 years with PhD, MBA in Marketing and MSW. His areas of interest include e-business, digital marketing, and web technology. Presently, he is coordinating the placement department and exam department of LBSITM. We welcome you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Yeah. So, sir, my first question to you is, as you have held key positions at education institutes throughout your professional career, what keeps you connected with the education sector and how has your experience been so far with the institute?
Okay. Teaching a student is to pleasure and in study if they are doing good and sometimes somewhere you got interaction. So it gives immense pleasure and happiness. Your students are doing good, and my experience at LBSITM is very good and full of learning and growing. Here only in 2020, I honored a PhD degree, and I thought societies with better education opportunities have lower crime. So education is must for the society.
Okay, sir. Sir, my second question to you is, being the professor at LBSITM, what are your roles and responsibilities towards the students?
Okay. The roles, being an assistant professor and placement coordinator, I take care the responsibilities including teaching and training to UG and PG programs. Basically, student belongs to management. And preparing them for the better placement opportunities to create resume and conduct interviews, placement drives, connecting the industry people with, for students, and providing assistance to all the graduates and review all the procedures of placement.
Okay, sir. Sir, my next question to you is, do you have any extracurricular activities programs to enhance the skills of the students or expose them to the real world challenges? Over to you, sir.
It is extracurricular activities are very important in education also because in cutthroat competition, only the syllabus or curriculum activities are not sufficient to groom or express yourself amongst competitors. Some business simulations and Microsoft Office packages like Excel, PowerPoint. And learning of these tools definitely enhance the skills of the students, and I try to impart these skills beyond the syllabus. Apart from the syllabus, I try to accumulate these tools among the students so that they can do better in their professional activity.
Okay, sir. Sir, how does the curriculum of LBSITM ensure that the students are being prepared for the future?
It is very unpredicted and everyone want to see a better future. So curriculum ensures the complete knowledge of theory as well as practical, and it is definitely the responsibility of the institute, the university, and the government also to timely upgrade the study material, syllabus, the required skills, so that a student can do better in their future. The new education policy is definitely the benchmark for the student. After 28 years, it is improved and changed. Definitely this change will took time, but in future the changes will definitely we will see.
Okay. Sir, my next question is very important from the students' point of view, and I think they would definitely like to know your viewpoints on the next question. So the question is, how do you try to bring in practical approach towards subjects and make it industry oriented?
I'm very lucky throughout my teaching career because the subjects which I taught are the practical one, like e-business and marketing management, digital marketing. And students nowadays are more interacting with these subjects. So teaching these subjects and creating some applications of like Facebook marketing, product development. So whole environment of the practicalization is a little less formal and a little more relaxed, leading to easier flow of conversation between teacher and student.
Okay, sir. Sir, my next question to you is, what are the interventions and approaches you bring in apart from curriculum to train or teach the students?
Okay. Nowadays, due to COVID, we have incorporated blended mode of learning. Collaborative learning is now accepted by the student as well as teachers. So this definitely this will improve the learning and the teaching skills of the faculty as well as the learning skill of the students. Useful interventions include building relationships, adopting the environment. COVID gives good experience as well as managing sensory stimulations, the changing communication strategies, providing prompts and cues. So these technologies related teaching is now developing social as well as mental skills of the student.
Okay, sir. And sir, what would you like people to know about your institute that they may not already know?
Okay. The LBSITM we are calling, it is known as Lal Bahadur Shastri Institute of Technology and Management. And the basic purpose of establishing the institute is to spread the culture of staying rooted with the values and ethics. And our institute work on the philosophy of Shastriji. So, like Shastriji is second Prime Minister of India. At the same time, develop skills and competencies to help every student that joins the institute.
Okay, sir. And what do you see as the greatest strengths of the Lal Bahadur Shastri Institute of Management?
Okay. The street shows our mission is to be center of excellence for value-based management education and research to continuous learning and societal responsiveness and strategic partnerships. This mission will definitely help all of us.
Okay, sir. And sir, what are some of the biggest challenges you see both for the higher education in general and for the institute specifically?
Okay, so COVID definitely has impacted higher education, not only India, across the world. And the significant impact on higher education, despite this, every organization, not our institute, have been quick to adopt the innovative ways to continue developing the standards. Okay, challenges are many, but if you break the challenge, you can survive it.
Okay, sir. And sir, my last question is, any suggestions you would like to give to the current youth and the aspiring students?
I'd say trust your instincts and dream remains dream until you take action. If you want growth in your life, start making mistakes but learn from them. And be humble, do not be a follower. Be a leader.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Thank you. Thank you so much for your time. I think it was a very interactive session, and we definitely look forward to have more such insightful sessions with LBS ITM. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.